It is Tuesday, which means we're starting week 3, and we had some work done over the weekend by some guys who were working outside their working hours, even on the holiday weekend, and some of it was drywall work, some drywall mudding on the ceiling and on the walls. And a really big thing happened. So we had a 6-foot radiator because we have hot water heat in our house. And the way we solve for that is there is a special thing called a kick space heater. Oh, Claire's up. Hi, honey. Good morning. I'm just doing the video. Just a second, okay? We're going to show them our cool new heater. And so the way we solved for it, the 6-foot heater is now replaced with this little tiny heater. It's 12 inches wide and it goes under the sink cabinet. So hopefully that will work to, hopefully I actually showed it to you. I don't even know because I'm iPad challenged. So today the ceiling texture and wall texture guy will be back, and our regular contractor Sean will be back. And then tomorrow, these holes, those cardboard holes, will be filled in with our Solatube solar lights. And, come here, baby. And she's got some wild woman hair this morning. And so we're just plugging along. Friday, just several days, and we'll be doing laundry room cabinets on Friday, and then Monday next week they start doing kitchen cabinets. So that's what's going on here. We picked up paint this weekend, and that's what's going on. So bye. Oh, I can't stop it.